Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful, thank you. I got a package this morning. My mom sent me some cookies. Homemade cookies. They are delicious. And you, Jake?
I am happy today. I took Max for a long walk this morning. We went to the park. The weather was beautiful.
That sounds lovely. I love sunny mornings.
Me too. But Judy, I have a question. You just said I got a package, and I said I took Max for a walk. Why do we use got in one sentence and took in the other? They feel similar to me.
Oh, that is a great question. And actually, many English learners feel the same way. Get and take are very confusing.
Yes, sometimes I don't know which one to use. I just guess.
Well, today you don't have to guess anymore because that is our topic today, get or take.
Oh, really? We are going to learn the difference?
Yes, today we are going to learn when to use get and when to use take with lots of examples.
Perfect. I need this. Let's do it.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. So, Jake, let me explain the basic idea first. It is actually simple.
Simple? I hope so.
We use get when something comes to you. You receive it, you obtain it, it arrives to you.
Something comes to me, okay?
And we use take when you go and grab something. You choose it, you pick it up, you move toward it.
So get is passive, something comes to me, and take is active, I go and grab it.
Exactly. Think about it this way. I got a package. The package came to me. I didn't go to the post office. It arrived at my door.
Ah, and I took Max for a walk. I chose to do it. I grabbed the leash and I went outside.
Perfect. You already understand the basic idea. Now let's learn the most common get phrases.
I am ready.
The first group is receiving things. We say get when someone gives you something or when something arrives. Get a gift, get an email, get a message, get a phone call.
I got an email from my sister yesterday. She sent me photos of Max's cousin, another dog.
Max has a cousin?
Well, my sister has a dog too, so I call them cousins.
That is so cute. And your sentence was perfect. I got an email. The email came to you. You received it.
Okay, what else can I get?
We also use get when you obtain something. Get a job, get a ticket, get information, get a good grade.
Get a job, like I got my first job when I was 18.
Very good. And here's something really interesting about get. We also use it when something changes, when you become something different.
Become? Like a transformation?
Yes, but a small one. Get tired, get hungry, get sick, get better, get lost, get ready.
So get tired means I become tired?
Exactly. You weren't tired before, but now you are. You got tired.
Oh, that is so useful. I get tired every afternoon around 3 o'clock.
Many people do. And notice we say get hungry, not become hungry. In everyday English, get is much more natural.
Get hungry. Yes, I get hungry all the time, especially after walking Max.
And we say get better. When you are sick and then you improve, you get better.
I had a cold last week, but I got better quickly.
I am glad. We also say get lost, L-O-S-T, lost, when you don't know where you are.
I get lost all the time, even with my phone map. Last week, I got lost in the shopping center.
That happens to everyone. And one more important one, get ready, when you prepare yourself. Like in the morning, you get ready for work.
I always get ready too slowly in the morning. I am not a morning person.
I know, Jake. We all know that about you. Now, there is one more group for get. We use it for arriving at a place. Get home, get to work, get there.
Get home, not arrive home?
Both are correct, but get home is more natural in everyday conversation. What time did you get home? I got home at 6.
What time did you get home? I got home at 6. That sounds very natural.
It does. So let me review all the get groups quickly. First, receiving. Get a gift, get an email, get a message. Second, obtaining. Get a job, get a ticket. Third, changes. Get tired, get hungry, get better, get ready, get lost. And fourth, arriving. Get home, get to work, get there.
That is a lot. Get is everywhere.
It really is. Get is one of the most useful words in English. Okay, now let's talk about take.
Yes, I want to understand take better.
Remember, take is active. You choose to do something, you grab something, you move toward it. The first group is grabbing or carrying things. Take your phone, take your keys, take an umbrella, take your bag.
Take an umbrella. My mom always says that. Take an umbrella, it might rain.
Moms are always right. And notice, you actively grab the umbrella. It doesn't come to you, you go and pick it up.
I see. So get is when something comes to me. Take is when I go and grab it.
Exactly. Now the next group is very important. We use take with many everyday actions. Take a shower, take a break, take a photo, take a walk, take a nap. N-A-P, nap. A nap is a short sleep during the day.
Take a nap. I love taking naps, especially on Sunday afternoons.
You and Max napping on the sofa.
Exactly. And I take a lot of photos. I take photos of Max every day. He always looks so good in photos.
I believe it. Max is a star. And we also say take notes. N-O-T-E-S. Notes. When you write down important information, like in class or in a meeting.
I take notes when I listen to this podcast. I write down new words.
That is a wonderful habit. Our listeners should try that too. Now the next group is transportation. We say take a bus, take a taxi, take the train.
Take a bus. I take the bus to work every day.
Very common. And one more important group. We use take with time. It takes 10 minutes. It takes a long time.
Oh, I hear this a lot. How long does it take?
Yes. How long does it take to get to work? It takes about 30 minutes.
It takes me 45 minutes. The bus is slow.
And we also say take medicine. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine. When you are sick, you take medicine.
I don't like taking medicine, but sometimes you have to.
That's right. And one more phrase, take your time. This means don't hurry, go slowly. There is no rush.
Take your time. I like that phrase. My boss never says that to me.
Maybe you should teach him. But seriously, take your time is a very kind and polite thing to say. If someone is nervous, you can say, take your time. There is no hurry.
That is a beautiful phrase. I will use it.
Good. So let me review the take groups. First, grabbing things. Take your phone, take an umbrella. Second, actions. Take a shower, take a break, take a photo, take a walk, take a nap, take notes. Third, transport. Take a bus, take a taxi, take the train. Fourth, time. It takes 10 minutes. And fifth, health. Take medicine.
Okay, I think I understand the rule now. Get is receiving, take is grabbing, get is passive, take is active.
Very good. But like we learned last time with make and do, there are some tricky phrases.
Oh no, more tricky phrases?
Don't worry, just a few. And this one is actually fun. Listen carefully. Get a taxi and take a taxi. Both are correct, but they mean different things.
Really? What is the difference?
Get a taxi means to find one, to call one, to stop one on the street. The taxi comes to you. But take a taxi means to ride in it, to use it as your transportation.
Oh, so I first get a taxi, and then I take the taxi to work.
Exactly. First you find it, then you ride in it.
That actually makes a lot of sense.
It is. And here's another tricky one. Get advice. A-D-V-I-C-E. Advice. Advice is when someone tells you what to do. We say get advice when someone gives you advice. The advice comes to you.
I get advice from Judy every week. She gives me so many tips.
And we say take advice when you listen to it and follow it. You choose to use it.
So I get advice from Judy, and then I take her advice and practice every day.
Perfect, Jake. You explained it better than I could.
Thank you, Judy. I'm learning a lot today.
And here's one more. Get and take both work with a break, but the feeling is different. I need to get a break means you feel like life isn't giving you a rest. You want one, but you don't have one yet. But I need to take a break means you will actively stop and rest right now.
Oh, so get a break is like wanting something, and take a break is like choosing to rest.
That's right. But in everyday life, take a break is much more common. You'll hear it every day.
Take a break. Okay, I will remember that.
Now let's practice. I'll say a sentence with a space, and you tell me get or take.
I love practice time. Let's go.
Ready? First one. I need an umbrella. It is raining outside.
Take. I need to take an umbrella because I am grabbing it.
You got it. Next. A message from her boss this morning.
Get. She got a message from her boss. The message came to her.
Perfect. Now this one. How long does it to walk to the park?
Take. How long does it take to walk to the park?
Exactly. Next one. I am so tired. I didn't enough sleep last night.
Get. I didn't get enough sleep because sleep is something that comes to you or doesn't come to you.
Very, very good. That is a tricky one, and you got it right. Last one. Let's a photo together.
Take. Let's take a photo together because we are choosing to do it.
5 out of 5 again, Jake.
Yes, 2 perfect scores in 2 episodes.
Now, let's try something different. Let's have a mini conversation using get and take. I will pretend I am calling you on the phone.
Okay, I like role play. Let's try.
Hello, Jake. I just got your message. Are you ready for tomorrow?
Almost. I need to take a shower first, then I will get ready.
Okay. How are you getting there? Are you going to take the bus?
No, I will get a taxi. It's faster. It only takes 15 minutes by taxi.
Good idea. I got a cold last week, but I'm getting better now, so I will be there tomorrow.
I'm glad you are getting better. Don't forget to take your medicine tonight.
I will. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, and I will take my camera. I want to take some photos.
That was wonderful, Jake. Did you hear how many times we used get and take?
I know, and I didn't even have to stop and think. It felt natural.
That is the power of practice. When you use words in a real conversation, your brain remembers them much better than when you just read a list.
I agree. Conversation is the best practice.
Exactly. And you understand the rule now. Get for receiving, obtaining, changing, and arriving. Take for grabbing, choosing, actions, transport, and time.
I love how you always make grammar feel simple.
That is the goal. Keep it simple, keep it clear. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about the difference between get and take.
Yes, we use get when something comes to us, like get a gift, get an email, get home.
Good. And get also means to become or change, like get tired, get hungry, get better, get ready.
And we use take when we actively grab or choose something, like take a photo, take a shower, take a bus, take your time.
And we learned some tricky pairs, like get a taxi means to find one, and take a taxi means to ride in one.
Yes, and take your time is a kind way to say don't hurry.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
And I think our listeners learned a lot too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what did you get today and what did you take today? Write one sentence with get and one sentence with take.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.